Surface roughness is a critical aspect of the manufacturing industry that refers to the texture and irregularities on the surface of a material. It is an essential parameter that determines the quality, functionality, and performance of a product. Surface roughness is measured in terms of the average deviation of the surface profile from its ideal form. The manufacturing industry uses various techniques to control and optimize surface roughness, including machining, polishing, grinding, and coating. Surface roughness plays a crucial role in the manufacturing of products such as automotive parts, aerospace components, medical devices, and electronic gadgets. In the automotive industry, surface roughness affects the aerodynamics, fuel efficiency, and noise levels of a vehicle. In the aerospace industry, surface roughness affects the performance and durability of aircraft components. In the medical industry, surface roughness affects the biocompatibility and sterilization of medical devices. In the electronics industry, surface roughness affects the adhesion and conductivity of electronic components. Berkness Company is a leading manufacturing company that specializes in the production of high-quality industrial products. The company has a team of experienced engineers and technicians who are experts in surface roughness optimization. Berkness Company uses state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to control and optimize surface roughness, ensuring that their products meet the highest quality standards. The company offers a wide range of products, including conveyor systems, material handling equipment, and custom fabrication services. If you are interested in learning more about surface roughness and how it relates to the manufacturing industry, you can visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. The company's customer service team is always available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with more information about their products and services. Whether you are looking for a custom fabrication solution or a high-quality conveyor system, Berkness Company has the expertise and experience to meet your needs. Contact them today to learn more about how they can help you optimize surface roughness and improve the quality of your products. FAQs. 1. What is surface roughness in manufacturing? Surface roughness refers to the texture or irregularities on the surface of a manufactured part or component. It is measured by the height and spacing of the surface irregularities, which can affect the performance and functionality of the part. 2. Why is surface roughness important in manufacturing? Surface roughness is important in manufacturing because it can affect the functionality, durability, and appearance of the finished product. It can also impact the performance of moving parts, such as reducing friction and wear. Accurate measurement and control of surface roughness can help ensure consistent quality and performance of manufactured parts. 3. How is surface roughness measured in manufacturing? Surface roughness is typically measured using specialized equipment, such as a profilometer or surface roughness tester. These tools use a stylus or laser to scan the surface of the part and measure the height and spacing of surface irregularities. The results are typically reported in terms of raw, average roughness, or other parameters that describe the surface texture. more information, contact Berkness Company today.